What is up everyone, it's Hamdan on the channel, and today's video is actually going to be an unboxing of the HP ZBook. The HP ZBook is a workstation machine. So mostly these workstation machines are used for heavy load tasks. For instance, if you are someone who is into video editing, graphic designing, or architectural designing, where mostly you are in need of a machine that can handle graphics rendering and many other video intensive tasks, then these machines are for you. But sorry to my viewers for me not being consistent for the past months. My laptop got lost, and yeah, I will be sharing the story later. But at the moment, I've gotten something great and I'm really happy for that. So yeah, but with regards to the laptop issue, how it got lost and all those things, I'll be sharing the story later. So first things first, this machine over here, let's do the unboxing. So this is the machine itself. This is a bag for it. This is just a normal typical laptop bag, and this is the charger. So with regards to the charger itself, it's 150 watts. Damn, this is actually failing. Most of the laptop chargers I've been using for the past years, it's always 65 watts, 70 watts, or even 50 watts. But this one is actually 150 watts. That's actually telling you something about the amount of power this thing can consume. Yeah. So with regards to the unboxing itself, let me get my knife and see what I can do. Am I even unboxing it the right way? I think this is actually the right place. Yeah. So now we are done. So let me remove it from these straps. Wow. I'm sorry, baby. That's my new baby. So yeah, that's the ZBook. So this machine over here was being manufactured by HP, and it's called the HP ZBook Power G7. Basically, it's a work machine. So I'm almost done with the unboxing. So this is how the machine is. It's actually heavy, and it's 15 inches. So as compared to my last laptop that I was using, which was 14 inches, I think, this one is 15 inches and it's very massive. It's being powered by an NVIDIA graphics card, which they specifically designed for this machine. And it's having a 32 gig RAM and a 512 SSD. So yeah, that's the basic stuffs. And it's being powered by the Intel Core i7 processor. And you can see the ZBook over here. It's also having a fingerprint sensor, which you can set up. So yeah, that's the ZBook. It's very heavy. It's massive indeed. This is currently what I'll be using at the moment, and I believe this machine is going to serve me for a long time. This is one of the best HP machines for video intensive or graphic intensive stuffs. Let me just use it and find some time to do a full review. With regards to the review, I'll be doing a review after using it for some time. I mostly don't do blind reviews. I make sure I use it for some time, and I'll be sharing with you some of the things I learned along the way. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Away bass. And I'm really happy and grateful to the people that actually made this thing possible. My mom, dad, and my sister. If you are watching, even if you are not watching, I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much, and I'm very grateful for what you did for me.